Welcome back everybody, Todd here. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to do a review on this VEVOR picnic table, so come on with me, let's jump into this review. I'd like to start out by thanking VEVOR for sending this out for me to review. Well, it obviously comes in a big box. Let's get it out of here and take a look at the parts. So here's our box. You can see it's quite well packed. We'll go ahead and get it out of here and lay it all out and take a better look. Okay, we got it all unpacked, and here's what came in that crate. You can see you've got all the legs there. There's your benches, your tabletop. So, and in that box right there is all the hardware. There's your owner's manual. Inside of here, it's going to walk you right through how to assemble it, no problem. Gives you all the components and the parts list. Walks you through what part goes where. Let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. Let's take a look at the tools we'll need and the hardware. Here's our hardware. You've got stainless steel bolts, stainless steel washers, and stainless steel lock nuts. Then it's going to take a 13 mil end wrench and a 13 mil socket and ratchet. Step one is going to be take these brackets at all four corners and attach them. And you're going to attach that by dropping a bolt with a washer and a washer and a nut on both corners. So we're going to do that 4 times. So now that we've got all of our 4 corner brackets on, we're going to move on to put the legs on. You can see we get the legs laid out over there. There's a distinct difference, and it has to do with what direction this points. But there's a C and a B, and we're going to go ahead and attach them right down here with just a bolt in the bottom. And then you can see temporarily you're going to want to just hold those right there. Put the other side on. Then we're going to have that is going to attach right in the middle of these on all 4 corners. We've got all the legs on. Again, you're just bolting them on the bottom, laying them out, and then they'll come together on the corners just like that. And you've got the thing in the middle tying them together. So again, at this point you're doing everything just hand tight. Do not even turn a wrench, just hand tighten everything. Okay, my next move is to flip this thing over before it gets too heavy. Obviously those benches added to that going to be pretty heavy, so we'll go ahead and flip this over, and then I'll be able to set those on there, and you can see the benches just bolt right on to the brackets right there. And there's your bolt-ons on the benches. And there you go, it's completely assembled. To put the benches on, it's really simple. You just drop the brackets on like I showed you, and you've got the bolts that go underneath the benches. Once you get the benches on, you snug those up, and then you work your way back and snug up all of the bolts, and yeah, looks good, very solid. Once you snug that all up, it gets really solid. Obviously it has the hole for the umbrella, and you can see that not only goes through the top, but it goes through there as well. That's your VEVOR picnic table. That's going to be a wrap for this video. I appreciate you tagging along as always. Hey, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and then we'll see you back here on the next review.